Welcome back to the 5th episode in our series about neuroscience for learning. And we want to think about how your brain builds habits. And my colleague Jan is joining me again. Nice to have you back again, Jan.
Thank you.
Have you ever wondered what your brain's actually doing as it builds habits? What's going on in there? What's the process? Habits start as conscious actions. They're controlled by our prefrontal cortex. Think back to that brain we built. But what we need to do is transfer those habits from our prefrontal cortex into that cerebrum, into those deeper parts, into the basal ganglia. So what happens is certain neurotransmitters called endocannabinoids, it's quite a hard word to say, they are neurotransmitters that give us a runner's high. So you can see my running shoe here. That's to help you remember these endocannabinoids. They reduce activity gradually in the prefrontal cortex and they increase activity in the basal ganglia. So they're shifting focus from the energy-hungry, conscious prefrontal cortex into our unconscious, automatic, habitual basal ganglia. It needs time and it needs repetition. You might remember Hebb's law. Neurons that fire together, wire together. The more often they fire, the stronger becomes that bond. So, Jan, how does this help you build habits in the real world of learning at work?
Well, thank you, Stella. Well, in the context of learning at work, this is often a challenge. We go through a learning experience, we take away a lot from it, lots of knowledge, lots of new skills, and then we make our action plans. We're always very ambitious when it comes to our action plans, and we try to implement all of those at the same time. Often the result is we fall off the wagon really quickly because business as usual kind of pushes us into old habits. We're used to that. It kind of brings us results. We think it's all right, and we continue to do what we have ever done in the past. This is our idea. This is our approach. Working with what we call triggered actions. Small little actions that are really triggered upon specific events in our day-to-day. Really, the question there is, when this happens, what will I actually do? The advantage here that it is very feasible, very tangible, and referring to your runner's high, it gives us upon success, when it works well, when we have applied, it gives us that feeling of success. We're changing things are becoming more easy, and that kind of fires up our brain with that feeling of, okay, I'm on top of this. I can do this.
Fantastic. So triggered action plans that help work with the brain's way of building habits, which are about triggers, actions, and rewards.
Definitely.
Now you know more about building habits. See you in the next episode.
Bye.